Professional networking sites have become essential in today's digital age, connecting people across various sectors. LinkedIn, with over 756 million members in more than 200 countries, stands out as the premier platform for professionals to showcase their skills, network, and explore job opportunities. But what makes LinkedIn so successful? LinkedIn offers enterprises a unique way to demonstrate their expertise, generate business-to-business sales, and attract top talent. Understanding the core elements that contribute to LinkedIn's success is crucial for anyone looking to build a similar platform. These elements include user profiles, networking capabilities, job search functionalities, and recommendations. To create a website like LinkedIn, you need to incorporate several key features. First, detailed user profiles that highlight work history, education, and skills. Second, robust networking tools that allow users to connect, join groups, and engage in discussions. Third, a comprehensive job search portal where users can find and apply for jobs. Lastly, recommendations and endorsements to boost user credibility. Start by defining your target audience and their needs. Identify what makes your platform unique and how it will stand out from competitors. Conduct market research to understand current trends and gaps in the market. Develop a comprehensive business and marketing strategy, including revenue-generating methods like sponsorships, promotions, or subscriptions. Content marketing can also help attract visitors. Choose a reliable hosting provider and purchase a custom domain name that represents your brand. Select a suitable content management system, CMS, like WordPress or Drupal. Customize your website's structure and layout to meet user needs, ensuring a simple and friendly user interface. Set up databases to handle user information, job postings, and connection requests. Focus on readability with clear fonts and adequate contrast. Keep the layout simple and straightforward, making it easy for users to navigate. Ensure the website is responsive, adapting to various screen sizes. Use user-friendly forms for registration and profiles, providing clear instructions to enhance the user experience. Enable user registration and secure login processes. Develop detailed user profiles with customizable fields for professional information. Allow users to send connection requests and integrate a messaging system for seamless communication. Provide advanced search functionality to help users find job postings and professional connections. Implement encryption techniques to protect sensitive user data. Comply with data protection regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. Offer users control over their privacy settings, allowing them to decide what information to share and with whom. Conduct regular security audits and updates. Implement a responsive design to ensure your website adapts to various screen sizes. Use mobile-friendly navigation to make it easy for users to browse on smaller screens. Optimize page load times by reducing image sizes and using caching methods to enhance performance. Conduct thorough testing to ensure all core features work as intended. Test the website across different browsers and devices to ensure compatibility. Gather user feedback through surveys and contact forms to make necessary improvements. Develop a marketing strategy to define your target audience. Utilize social media, build strategic partnerships, and produce valuable content. By following these steps, you can create a professional networking site that rivals LinkedIn, catering to the needs of professionals in your chosen niche or industry.